This is part 2 of my clicker game tutorial in which you'll be able to polish the game more, add more upgrades and make it possible to buy an upgrade multiple times. Let's get started. I'll start by replacing the button with an actual cookie sprite like so. I'll also get rid of the click text and make the cookie bigger. Then I'll change the colors around. Now let's make the cookie rotate. Add a new script, I'll call it cookie rotation. Inside the script editor, add a public float for the rotation speed. I'll set it to 100 by default. In the fixed update method, let's rotate our cookie on the z-axis with minus rotation speed multiplied by time.delta. Now the cookie is rotating. Some of you couldn't figure out how to change the text to TextMeshPro, so here's how you do it. Let's get rid of the old AutoClick text, add the new TextMeshPro text, import the TMP essentials, adjust the text and rename it. I'll also change the upgrade button text. Now we need to make some changes in the manager script. Let's change the using Unity engine.ui to using TMPro to get access to the TextMeshPro library, and just change the text reference to TextMeshPro GUI. Back to the editor, set the AutoClick reference again, and everything is working as intended. Now let's make it possible to increase the AutoClick upgrade. Let's add the price text for the needed clicks to unlock the next upgrade, and an amount text for the AutoClicks you'll automatically get every second. Now let's make things cleaner by making a separate script for the AutoClick upgrade. First, let's change some stuff in the manager script before coding the new behavior. Let's make the total clicks float public, let's delete the has upgrade boolean, and let's copy these sections to the new AutoClick upgrade script. Still in the manager script, let's add the self instance. Let's assign it to this instance in case it's null, or else destroy this game object in the awake method. In the AutoClick upgrade script, let's add a reference to the manager script and assign it to the manager.instance in the start method. Let's change the name of AutoClick upgrade method to buy upgrade, delete this has upgrade, and add manager dot as a prefix before any total clicks. Inside our statement, we'll increase our AutoClicks per second and the price of the next upgrade. For this tutorial, I'll make it so that it adds one more AutoClick per second if you buy the upgrade and doubles the price by 2 for the next upgrade. For you, it will depend on your game and how you want to do these calculations. Now in the update method, let's delete the has upgrade boolean and replace it with AutoClicks per second is greater than 0, just to avoid unnecessary calculations when we don't have the upgrade running. Once again, add the manager prefix before each total clicks mentioned. Now let's make our price and amount text update. Type using TMPro above to access the TextMeshPro library, add a reference for the price and amount text, add a new method called update text. Let's set our price text to need plus the minimum clicks to unlock upgrade dot toString, which is our price by the way, and let's not forget to add the click suffix. Let's also set our amount text to the plus sign plus our AutoClicks per second plus 1.toString plus the per second suffix. You can set this text format however you want. Lastly, let's call this update text method from the start and buy upgrade method. Back to the editor, let's add the AutoClicks upgrade script to the upgrade button. You can set it anywhere else if you want. Let's leave our AutoClicks per second to 0, set the minimum clicks to 10, and assign the price and amount text references. Finally, let's replace the onClick method of our button with the buy upgrade method of our new script. As you can see, we can buy the upgrade as much as we want now with the price and amount going up each time. Now to add another upgrade, it's really simple. You just have to copy this template here and adjust it to fit the functionality of your upgrade. It's really straightforward and well documented for you to understand, and it's similar to the AutoClick upgrade but without its functionalities, and you can find the script in the GitHub repository. To further understand, let me show you how you can add a bonus click upgrade using this template. I'll start by copying the old upgrade, change the color, and instead of the amount text, I'll change it to a description, which in this case is adds random bonus points when you click. Now I'll create a new script, I'll call it bonus click upgrade. Let's copy this from the upgrade template and let's not forget the library references. Now the upgrade I'm going to make is a one-time purchase, so I can comment out this line of code and this chunk of code too. Now this upgrade gives you random bonus points whenever you click, so let's add an average bonus clicks integer and give it the 3 to 10 range. Let's now add a new method called clicked that will be called whenever we click the cookie. Now if you have the upgrade, we simply add random points to our total clicks like so. Now in the manager script and inside our add clicks method, let's simply check if there is a bonus clicks upgrade component available in the scene, and if there is, we call its clicked method, and make sure that you're updating our total clicks text last thing so that you don't have any weird behaviors. Back to the editor, let's add the bonus clicks upgrade script here, set our price text reference and set the average bonus clicks to 5. Let's also set the onClick method of our button to the buy upgrade method of our script. As you can see, we made a working bonus clicks upgrade with just a few lines of code, and you can use this template to make pretty much any other upgrade you want. I hope that this video made things clearer for you, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.